A 1, 2, 3, 4. I love succulents and you do too. They're so beautiful, fun and new. The gift that keeps on giving on and on. So watch my videos, we'll all have fun. Hi guys, I'm here at the stone supply store, stone supply place. There's a lot of stones, and we just got some limestones for the pathways, and it wasn't really that bad, but we're here now to get some rocks for my mosaic walkway. Hi guys, so now we're outside eating our lunch at Habit Burger, but can't eat inside, so we're out here eating outside. Here comes the food. Napkin fell. Yum. Wash your hands. I have done my stepping stone mosaic and my stone mosaic using just those aquarium pebbles that, you know, I got some from the dollar store, and like the river rocks right here. So I removed all the rocks from the cement mix and just laid it out here and just put the rocks according to color and make some kind of a design. I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to do this, but it's costing a little bit of money, but it just looks so good. Look at that. I have to figure out how to do the rest to see how I'm gonna do the second one. We'll see. And now it's just drying, but I put some these pebbles were already down here, but I added some sand here, and some of those rocks had just mixed in with it. But this is what I got out of the cement when I took all the rocks, not all the rocks, but just the bigger size ones, like this big, you know, pieces right here. So we'll see. I'm just waiting for it to set, and we'll see if it works. Then I can move on to the next phase of putting it on the sides and on and on and on. So I'm thinking maybe, you know, this is gonna take forever. Maybe do 7. After the 7th one, then I'll figure something else out, and I'll show you what happened to the flagstones that we got yesterday. My husband I said just lay it out there, you know, in a line, but I guess his definition of a line is a straight line. So I saw it this morning. I told him, I said, it looks like an alien came down and just like did the straight line, right? This is the rocks, the turtle substrate that I got from online. It's like those turtle pebbles right there. I'll have a link for you. But I'm just separating them by color so that I can do like the uniform walkway. And then these ones I got these are from the dollar store. They're the same kind, but these from the dollar store were in that planter right there that I removed, and I have like a lot more in the back there, which I'm going to start gathering because I don't want to spend any more money, you guys. I just want to get as much as I can that I already have to use for this project. It's a big project, obviously. Yeah. So yeah, it's a big job, but you know what? Look at, oh, did you see my little couch over here? Gotta fix it. I need more paint to paint the back, but at least for now it's good. What is that? For now it's good because I can sit here and just look. Okay, so I'm sitting here and I'm thinking walkway here straight, and it goes around and then straight back over there, and then maybe then I have all this space right here, and I'm just gonna fill that up with succulent, and you know, little walkways around the succulent so that I can work on it, pull weeds. I don't know, hopefully I don't have that many weeds, but you know, just redoing it after several years, at least I can walk around it and fix things. And if I want to mosaic things, you know, then I can add some more interesting elements for this garden. Like, I need height, guys. I need height, like tall somethings. So but I don't also want to spend that much money. So what I'm gonna do is maybe whatever, if I can get some free stuff around, because sometimes people give stuff away. So many things, guys. I'm going to show you every step of the way, and I hope you guys stay and follow the progress. And I appreciate you guys, and let me know if you have any suggestions for me. I'm open to suggestions, because even though I have like a vision of what I want to see, I already planted those succulents over there. Even though I have a vision of what I like to see, you know, you just never know. You just never know, you know. Two heads are better than one, or 7,000. Okay, guys, it's very windy and I'm just relaxing here. Where's my drink? I have a water here somewhere. I'm just relaxing because it's really nice, but I'm trying to take some breaks from the sun, even though I do have that umbrella right there. That umbrella is just so helpful. It's like a beach umbrella, but it has joints, so you can move it wherever the sun is. I'll put a link on my description there so that you guys can purchase that, and it's just attached to a little step stool. I'll show you. Look, it's just attached to a step stool, and it really does the trick, and it gives me more time to work in the sun, because usually it gets so hot that you know, I get dehydrated, but with that it really helps. And here's some more of this Vera Higgins and the crassulas that I have to put back in the garden. But hi guys, so this is what I got so far on my walkway, and it's going to continue all the way over there, but I'm gonna stop right there at the very end there, after the third one, because this is a lot of work. I don't know, maybe I'll continue it all the way around there, but I'm not sure, because it's kind of hard to do. Maybe just a little bit, not this intricate. Yeah, I just have so much shade time. You know, it's getting really hot out here, so I might have to stop for now.